In this video, I will show you how to fix the error when you try and join your friend's game session in GTA 5 online. We will be covering a few methods that should help resolve this issue for you. For the first method, you could ask your friend to try and join a new session. There might be an issue with his current one, and then you can try joining his session once again. If this didn't work for you, then you can move on to the second method. For the second method, you should try leaving GTA Online and going back to story mode and then rejoining GTA Online and trying to join the session once again. To do that, press escape or the start button on your console, then navigate to online, and after you get to online, you scroll down till you get to the leave GTA Online section and you select that option. Then you select OK. Now, after you have gotten inside of GTA story mode, you can press the escape or start button if you're playing on console. Then go over to the online section at the far right, and after you get here, you select play GTA online. Then go and select the go button at the top. Make sure that you press OK. Now, after you have returned to GTA Online, you can try and join the session once again. If it still isn't working, you can move on to the next method. For the next method, I will show you how to join your friend's session indirectly. To do that, you can press the escape button and then go over to online. When you get here, you will have this join friends option whitened out and available to be chosen, but for me it's not because I don't have any friends online currently. When you select this, GTA will look for sessions that have at least one of your friends and place you in them automatically. So if you have like a few friends online at the moment, you can choose that and it will take you to their session. And if none of these work for you, you can always just try and restart the game and see if that helps solve the issue. That is it for this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.